Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing us how to upload shapefiles into PostGIS using the Shapefile to PostGIS graphical user interface. So if you don't have PostGIS installed, I have a video on that, so I'll drop the link in the description below so you can check it out to install it. And if you have PostGIS installed, that means you must have Shapefile to PostGIS installed as well. And to launch it, we just simply come here to search for it. Shapefile, yeah, this is it. PostGIS bundle 3 for PostGIS 13 shapefile and DPF loader. So we just click on this to launch the software. Okay, so let's view connection details to add a new connection. Now let's add the connection of our PostGIS. If you want, during the installation of PostGIS, we already created all this information, so if you don't have PostGIS installed, just check the video I'll be linking in the description to install PostGIS and to have access to all this information. So the database we'll be using is PostGIS, the one here, PostGIS. So I'll just write it here, then click on OK. So you can see connection succeeded. So now let's add a file, so we can import the file inside this database. So let me add Nigeria shapefile. It should be somewhere here. I want that Nigeria shapefile now and visualize. So let me add Nigeria admin 1 and open it. So the SRID for Nigeria admin 1 is 4326. It accepts only EPSG. So I'll drop a link also to where you can get EPSG of any coordinate reference system you want. So let me click on import. You can see it's very fast. Shapefile imports completed. So we can close this now and go to PostGIS to confirm. So under PostGIS is under the public schema. I didn't create a new any schema. I'm using the public schema. Expand table. Okay, you have to refresh this to see if it's added. Okay, perfect. So it's here. So now we can view the columns in this database. Let's view all the rows. So these are the rows, and we can visualize this data set by going to this geometry field, which is the last one right here. So when we click on this, it's going to open it on the map and show us the geometry feed, the data sets on the map. So this is the data set we just uploaded. You can change the base map to topography, to grayscale. So PostGIS is very powerful. You can do a lot with PostGIS. So this is the data set successfully uploaded. So now you can use this with, let's say, GeoServer or QGIS. I have another video on how to connect PostGIS to QGIS. I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description below so you can watch it and install the QGIS successfully. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope this video has been very helpful to you. Please, if you feel it's been helpful to you, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. I'll deeply appreciate it. So see you next time. Bye.